In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable motion detection on a camera that is attached to your DVR. So first, I'm going to right click and click Main Menu. It might ask you to log in which case you can use your graphical user password or the written text password. In order to enable motion detection, I'm first going to go to the alarm setting here on the main menu. Here I can see that there is a video detect tab. I'm going to click the video detect tab. Here we can see that motion detection was already enabled on this channel. Sometimes it's enabled by default, but in this example I'm going to show you that you must first click here on enable MD to enable motion detection. I'm going to click apply to go ahead and save that change. Here I can see the period in which I would like motion detection to occur on this channel. I'm going to leave it 24/7. Here I can set up alarm outs. If I had an external alarm attached to my DVR, I could have the DVR show a message when an event happens. I could upload an alarm to an alarm center. I could send an email based on my DVR's email alert settings. I could tell it to record this channel or an additional channel that might be pointed in that same direction. I could also tell another PTZ camera that's attached to this DVR. I could also tell a PTZ camera that's attached to this DVR to go to a certain preset, maybe a preset that's pointed at the direction this camera senses motion. I could tell my DVR's display to do a certain tour or show a certain number of cameras. And down here I could set it to take a snapshot, and I'm going to actually enable the snapshot setting, and I'm going to tell it to take a snapshot from channel 1. Here I can also tell it to buzz. Now keep in mind this is the local buzzer on the DVR. And I can of course tell it to log my event in the system log. At the top right hand side I can set the region of motion that I would like to set. And by bringing my mouse up to the top I can set the sensitivity and threshold. Keep in mind you can set up to 4 different regions and also name them. I'm going to right click to back out of my region settings. If this camera had a PIR sensor, I can enable the PIR sensor here. The anti-dither and latch settings relate to the settings for recording. And then finally the post-record is how much you want to record after the event occurs. In this case, I'm going to leave all of these time settings as default. I can go ahead and click the apply button down here to save my motion detection settings. Hopefully this video helps you set up motion detection on your DVR. Thank you for watching.